Purchase your tracks today.
Penguins, seagulls, lots of people, even those who are illegal. We don't care cause we're all having fun in the sun. Don't run when the cops come. I went to Boca Raton to see Mofk in the Flesh and Bone. His music was so good it put me in a zone. It healed my heartbreak now that I'm alone. Now me and my brother Mr. Penguin are at the beach, making good music, making hot birds squeak. We learned how to talk, yeah, we learned how to speak. The tourists love us and they love our little beaks. So if you're visiting, come listen to me. I got a pretty good story. I used to live on a big iceberg. I used to go to church with my other birds. Then I met a sea lion. She was lying to my face, oh no. Told me to swim with her alone. She ditched me in Boca Raton. She took me to the city just to get rid of me. She had her fun so she wanted to leave. I listened to her cause I wanted to be. It doesn't matter anymore cause she's lost at sea. It doesn't matter to me cause I'm a dope AB Atlantic bird on the search, on the verge of a rebirth. I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird. I think I learned. She's a seal, not a bird, not a bird. Birds, birds, birds. I need a bird, not a seal, like an owl, like a fowl. Without a snout, with the wings out. What were you thinking about? Birds, birds, birds.
Purchase your tracks today.
I want a bird who sings along with me. I want a bird who wants to be. Yeah, you know, we some birds at the beach. Listen to me, I'm a big bird. I wanna squeak, 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 squawk.